2003 John Deere X585. Parked it last weekend after I finished mowing, parked it in the shed. Here it is Friday afternoon, trying to get a jump on weekend chores. Figure I'd try to get the lawn mowed. Jump on a tractor, won't start. Immediately go to the battery. Battery's putting out 13.5 volts, so I don't think that's a problem. Checked a few grounds, cleaned a couple battery connections, checked some relays, checked the fuses. When you do turn the key, everything lights up like it should. Fuel pump comes on, and then you get nothing. So I think what I'm going to do is go get myself a starter and swap the starter out. I tried jumping it with a screwdriver, and it does spin, but it's not spinning fast enough. So I'm going to go with a starter for right now. They seem to be fairly inexpensive, but let me change that out and get back to you. Okay, so I had a hard time believing it was a starter, and I'm glad I questioned myself. I ended up going to O'Reilly's and picked up a new battery. Put the battery in, put a little fluid film on the terminals, brought it back, installed it, and we have success. So it's kind of odd that I wasn't having any problems before this. It seemed to start fine. Wasn't acting like a low battery. Today it acted like a low battery, and I'm glad I questioned myself before I went and ordered a starter. But anyway, new battery, back in business. Catch you later.